this is a interior renovation of a 100-year-old building, we had to coordinate everything from every light fixture to every plumbing fixture in the project. So by having a lot of good documents, we were able to give our contractors at the bid phase, as well as multiple job site walkthroughs and post-bid, basically communication with them. We were able to give them reliable documents and reliable information in a pre-construction level so that when they came out to the project, we actually were able to just hit the ground running and build everything with very few problems on the job. So through MEP coordination, we did a full BIM model on this project. We involved both the engineers' original models as well as all of our subcontractors were required to do their own models. We did something really interesting out here actually. We did an entire 3D scan of all the existing structure inside the building following demo immediately. And by doing that, we were able to give the subcontractors a base model that they could then use to model all their piping and everything.
So when you open something up and you have a feeling what you know it's going to be there, what you're going to encounter, it's not there. It's completely different. Or you'll open up a wall or a ceiling and you have another wall and another ceiling back there that nobody knew was there. You clean that out of the way, there's another wall and another ceiling.
We actually built an entire temporary hot water line at about 6 feet, all out of plastic piping that enabled us to basically keep the Navy's entire system online while we ran all the coordinated piping above the ceiling.
In order to start new construction, we had to complete the temporary galley in a very rapid time frame. We worked 88 of 90 days. We took off Christmas and we took off New Year's Day. And then on those other 88 days, we worked between 16 and 18 hours a day.
Well, think about it. We're looking at feeding a brigade every day. A brigade is 12,000 meals. That's a lot of meals to make every day.
One big obstacle we had was a short time frame where we had these 50,000-pound trailers to bring in, and not enough clearance for the bridge structure just up the street here. In addition to that, we had these 150-foot trusses that needed to be lifted over the active King Hall galley itself. So, you know, those two obstacles, and then to throw on top of that a couple snowstorms that we encountered, made it very challenging.
It's just given me a total appreciation of how complex these systems can be, and just being able to absorb all that and understand all that, and then provide this facility on top of it is kind of like the next phase and step for what this building will become.
I'm a reservist in the Marine Corps, so the one thing that I like to say is it's kind of like I'm home. This is the first government military job I've been on, and so it's kind of like I'm home to see the uniforms. You know, I used to be a midshipman at one point, and so to see, you know, the various uniforms and to see, you know, and occasionally there's Marines on the base, you know, some of the instructors and faculty. So it's nice to see them and to know that I'm actually contributing towards making a better facility for them.
In a lot of cases, we've gone above and beyond to try to make sure the client got what they actually wanted, maybe not necessarily what they actually bid, because we've been so focused on trying to deliver, you know, a great end product and really get an outstanding reference from them.
It's a big deal. It's a U.S. Naval Academy job. It's meals that are directly going to feed tomorrow's warfighters. So I'm glad to be part of that.